Welcome to our channel. Let's begin with the thought of the day. If you can change your mind, you can change your life. By William Thames.
Today's topic is sterilization and disinfection. Let's start with the video.
Introduction. Sterilization, destruction of both the vegetative form and bacterial spores. Disinfection, destruction of only vegetative form. Procedures involved in instrument processing: 1. Pre-soaking, 2. Cleaning, 3. Corrosion control and lubrication, 4. Packaging, 5. Sterilization, 6. Sterilization monitoring, 7. Drying or cooling, 8. Storage, 9. Distribution, 10. Sharpening. 1. Pre-soaking, prevent drying. Begin to dissolve or soften organic debris. Begin microbial kill in some instances. Pre-soak solution contains detergents, enzymes or detergent containing disinfectants such as phenolic compounds or quaternary ammonium compounds. 2. Cleaning, manual, hand scrubbing with soft brush, underwater to prevent aerosolizing and splashing. Ultrasonic, safest and most efficient way to clean.
3. Corrosion control and lubrication. A rust inhibitor should be applied on non-stainless steel instruments. Lubrication of instruments with moving parts should be done prior to steam sterilization. Water-based lubricants that contain preservative are ideal. 4. Packaging. Cleaned instruments are wrapped before sterilization. See-through polyfilm bag, single-layer cloth wrap, nylon plastic tubing. Greater than instruments in trays and cassettes. Retain instruments at chair side and during ultrasonic cleaning, rinsing and sterilization. Sterilization. 4 accepted methods: steam pressure sterilization, autoclave, chemical vapor pressure sterilization, chemiclave, dry heat sterilization, dryclave, ethylene oxide sterilization. New methods: microwave oven, ultraviolet light. Steam pressure sterilization, autoclave. Time required: 15 min. Time at 250 degrees F, 121 degrees C, and 15 ibs of pressure. Light load of instruments. Wrapped instruments: 7 min, 2730 F, 134 degrees C, at 30 pounds of pressure. Preformed in a steam autoclave. Advantages: most rapid and effective method for steel panoas. Surgical packs. And disadvantages: items sensitive to elevated temperature cannot be autoclaved. Tends to rust. Carbon steel instruments and burrs. Burrs can be protected by submerging in anti-corrosive agent 2% sodium nitrite. Chemical vapor sterilization, chemiclave. Performed in a chemiclave. Operate at 270 degrees F, 131 degrees C, at 20 lbs for half an hour. Advantages: carbon steel and burrs are said to be sterilized without rust. Disadvantages: items sensitive to elevated temperature will be damaged. Towels and heavy cloth wrapping may not be penetrated to provide adequate sterilization. Only dry instruments should be loaded. Dry heat sterilization. Conventional dry heat oven. Heated at 320 degrees F, 160 degrees C, for 30 min. Instruments should be packaged in foil wrap or nylon bags. Wrapped instruments, 3,300, 345 degrees F for 60-90 mins. Short cycle high temperature dry heat oven. Sterilization time reduced: 6 minutes for unwrapped, 12 minutes for wrapped. Temperature: 370, 375 degrees F. Advantages: carbon steel instruments and burrs do not rust, corrode, or lose their temper or cutting edge if they are dried before processing. Disadvantages: damage heat-sensitive items such as rubber or plastic goods. Inaccurate calibration, lack of attention to proper setting and adding instrument without restarting the timing are common source of error. Ethylene oxide sterilization, best method of sterilizing complex instrument and delicate materials. Expensive. Disinfection, boiling water, 10 minutes. Use of chemicals, 6-10 hours. Glutaraldehyd, 2-3%. Sodium hypochlorite, 1-5%. 6. Sterilization monitoring, sterilization indicator on instrument bag, daily color change process indicator strip, weekly biologic spore test, documentation notebook. 7. Storage, in a sterile, wrapped tray setup or in an individual sterile wrapping.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Please do leave a like and press subscribe button.